What up, G-Bang? Welcome back to our channel, guys. Today we are doing all things hot Cheetos. So we bought 4 huge bags of hot Cheetos, the Cheeto Puffs, and then the regular hot Cheetos. And we are going to try 3 famous dishes made out of hot Cheetos. Okay? Snacks. So I think the first one we should do is the corn on the cob. Okay. Just because I don't want it to get cold. We just made everything, so let's start there. Here you go. I love corn on the cob. So we have here hot Cheeto crumbs. I've seen so many videos of people eating this, and literally my mouth literally just waters every single time. Every time it just waters because it looks so good. Looks so juicy, and I'm gonna be so disappointed if this is not, because then that means
they're faking it.
Yeah, they're totally faking it. Okay, so we have our mayo. We put butter beforehand, so we have mayo, butter,
Ooh.
cheese. Whoa. And I'm gonna just, you know what I think I'm gonna do? I'm gonna just do this. There you go, you got the deal.
Nice.
Let's just scoop this in here.
Get a press on it a little bit.
So there's this girl, you guys, let me tell you. I don't know her YouTube name, but she eats all things hot Cheetos. Oh my gosh. But like, she really likes spicy stuff. So she'll put like Valentina sauce on top of hot sauce. Like, she made one of these, babe, but with tahini. Doesn't that sound good? Tahini, and then hot sauce. And then she did takis, which are extra spicy for me. I could not do takis.
I cannot do that much.
Okay, cheers.
Let's go. Let's do it.
That was so good, I just died. Oh, wow. Babe, tell the truth. This is the best thing ever.
I get it, yeah.
Okay, he doesn't sound convinced, but no, you guys, this is so good.
I'm getting a subtle taste of the actual Cheeto.
I love it. Saltiness.
It's good. It's good.
Saltiness, crunchiness.
Oh, okay. If you do get the crunchiness of the Cheetos, it's good.
It's so good. I'm not kidding you. This is so good.
It's good. It's good.
Dang it, we should have made more corn. Shoot.
Yeah, definitely good.
I'm gonna eat this whole thing on camera. Babe, I really like it.
Good. I like it too. I think it's gonna be my favorite.
I'm literally shocked.
Really? She even got a Cheetos on her hair.
I'm serious. I'm not kidding you guys. If you have not tried this, please try it. Like, this is bomb. Like, next family gathering, babe, we're gonna sign us up. Hot Cheetos Elote. And that's what we're taking. Hot Cheetos Elote. And nothing else. Oh my god. Okay. Let me explain to you what it is that you're tasting, okay? Obviously, we know what hot Cheetos taste like, but mixed with the butter and the mayo, it kind of kills the spice a little bit, right? But not too much.
It does. I mean, the hot Cheetos is the last thing you taste.
Exactly. But you taste the juices from the corn, and then the butter, and then it kind of come and kicks you with a little salty, spicy flavor. Oh my god. And then the cheese.
Mm-hmm.
Mmm. You have it all over your beard, man.
Ooh.
Maybe I should eat on top of my plate.
Maybe.
Mm.
Good. I give this
Out of 10.
5 out of 5.
10 out of 5.
Wow. So good to her.
Is it really all over my
You
hair?
got Cheetos here, you got Cheetos here, you got Cheetos.
You guys, I love it, okay? I recommend it. I could not say that enough. That was so good.
It was good.
Okay, on to the next. Oh, maybe we should, no, we can get rid of the plates.
Alrighty.
Next snack that I made macaroni and cheese
A
hot Cheetos.
volcano
Kinda.
of mac and cheese.
It actually does look like a volcano. So let me tell you guys what I did. I made the mac and cheese just like you would. Normal, the one out of the box. But when it came down to putting the milk and the butter and the cheese, I put a lot of hot Cheetos. And then we put more on top.
We'll sprinkle some on top.
So, you ready, babe?
Let's do it.
Get the hot Cheetos, okay? Oh
Yeah,
my god,
I don't-
look at
I
this
don't-
bite.
I don't think I can miss the hot Cheetos.
Look at
here.
this bite. This is like the perfect bite. Okay, ready? I'm gonna wait for you. There you go, there you go. 1, 2, 3, go. It's okay.
Yeah, it's okay.
I think I don't like
The gooey.
the gooiness from the pasta.
Mhm.
I just think the combination of the textures kind of clash.
The fact that, okay, if you have the Cheetos sitting on top of the mac and cheese for a while, they become soggy. I just got one.
But, okay, let's try the pasta without the Cheetos on top.
And it does give you like more of a kick
Then that
than
one.
that one.
Okay, try some, but without the hot Cheetos on top. Okay. I think that's better. I just think
It's
I
more
don't.
subtle.
Yeah, it's more subtle, but I think I just don't like the combination of the text. I'm gonna try it again. Okay.
It's okay.
I'm gonna be fair. Okay, it's okay.
It is okay.
It's not
It's
bad.
not great,
Mm.
but it's okay.
It's not something I would take to someone's house or make when someone's coming over.
At all.
It's not something I would make as a snack like we would the corn on the cob, the elote.
Yeah.
That one I see us making again.
Yeah.
This one,
Especially if you're not a fan of mac and cheese.
I mean, I love mac and cheese, but it just didn't go. Next.
Oh yeah.
Okay,
What do we have here?
so this took
Ages.
ages to make, okay? I tried to fry it. I tried to dip it in hot Cheeto sauce with milk and make it. Long story short, I made just your normal grilled cheese sandwich. But on the inside, I mixed the cheese with hot
With the
Cheetos,
Cheetos.
and then I put some on top, which might fall. But
Just take a bite out of it.
Yeah,
You're
you're
making a bigger mess.
okay, ready? Cheers.
Do you have hopes for this?
I do. I want at least 2 out of 3 to be.
Okay.
I like it better than the mac and cheese. It might just do it for me. I'm gonna take another bite.
I don't know.
I just don't like crust. So let me get rid of the crust. Can you guys see the inside? Hot Cheetos are just bomb. Okay, ready? Next bite. I actually like it.
I do get why you say it's better than mac and cheese. You get the toastiness of the bread.
The crunchiness of the bread, but like buttery. I think buttered hot Cheetos just go, right?
Yeah. Yeah. That. Okay.
I will make this again.
That's true. Butter and hot Cheetos. It's a good mix. It's good. Better than mac and cheese, I agree. So I would say first place, corn on the cob. Second place, this right here,
Grilled cheese.
grilled cheese, and then mac and cheese. I think it can be good if, I don't know, if the texture is not that good.
I actually really like this one.
All right.
Perfect meal right here. There's perfect meal.
Perfect meal, you guys.
No joke, these two are bomb. Together, they're bomb. Okay, so I vote corn on the cob, grilled cheese, mac and cheese. I won't even put it on there just because I really thought it was horrible.
Agree.
So, not a fan of that. But these two together, no joke, is actually really, really tasty.
What else could be good with hot Cheetos?
You know what I wanted to make? Queso. You know how you guys go to those places?
Like the Mexican places,
Yeah.
and then you get salsa?
No.
Chips and
No. You go when you go to like Chile Limon, and you buy the bag, and then they put cheese in it, and they put all that stuff in there. What is that called?
Oh, that's just hot Cheetos.
Okay, that's what I
Or
wanted
like
to make.
any type of Cheetos, and then they
But
just
what do they put in there?
It depends, I don't know.
You don't know?
I really don't know.
Well,
All I know
I
is
see
they
that
just
they put
salsa, like hot, like Valentina.
Valentina sauce, they put hot Cheetos. Well, it is hot Cheetos, so then they put queso. Kind of like nachos. We should have done nachos. That actually would have been another good idea to try.
And it actually could have been good.
Yeah. Well, you guys, I'm going to go ahead and finish this and probably make some more elote.
And she'll eat it by herself.
And grilled cheese.
Definitely.
Because it was honestly that good. Like, I definitely recommend it. And I sound like a broken record saying that again, but I really like it.
Yeah. She loves corn on the cob just by itself, so.
I love corn on the cob.
And she loves hot Cheetos.
Yeah, but I like mac and cheese and I like hot Cheetos. But
You don't love mac and cheese though.
I don't love it. So that's it for today's video, you guys.
And I don't know if you guys have been noticing, but we've been uploading videos more often, more than just Mondays. We're actually trying to give more to you guys, trying to connect more with you guys. So just give us a little bit more feedback on what is that you want to see, and we'll definitely look into it. So yeah, and don't forget to
comment, like, share, and subscribe to be part of the G-Bang family.
we'll see you in the next video.
Peace.